Users can control the minimum radius produced with the adaptive pattern in multi-axis roughing. This feature is available in 3D adaptive roughing and is now supported in multi-axis. To use this feature, click Create Operation and select Type Mill Multi-Axis with the Multi-Axis Roughing subtype. For this example, we will set Tool to Mill and Geometry to Workpiece. To finish setting up the operation, under Main, specify a drive floor and change the cut type to Adaptive. Now, users can change the minimum curvature radius parameter. This allows for a larger or smaller minimum curvature radius, depending on the use case.